Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today guys, in this video we'll cover something that could happen on any BMW. You fix so many things, so many BMWs, and we had that problem on many of them. And this one is a E46 right here, BMW E46 guys, and let me show you now what problem we're talking about. Inside the vehicle guys, when you start it, you'll notice that the ambient temperature sensor information is messed up. Okay, when you start the car, okay, you're going to notice temperature there, a temperature reading that will say either 122 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 40 degrees Celsius, and it will be the extremes, either extreme top or extreme bottom. So that thing guys is a bad ambient temperature sensor or connection. Let me show you what the sensor looks like quick. Some BMWs will be different. Let me turn the ignition off quick, but most of them the sensor is really simple. It has only two wires. Okay, that's what I'm talking. That's a replacement sensor that we have right here. And all you have to do, just disconnect it, okay, and pull it out. Super easy. Okay, you can see right here, only two wires. But it's very important to have that problem fixed, and let me tell you why. Because that sensor tells the computer how cold is outside, and let's say it thinks it's too hot, it's going to mess up your fuel ratio. You might notice poor fuel economy, the car burning more gas because it doesn't get the right information. And this is very inexpensive, but you definitely need to fix it. It will pay itself in no time, otherwise you might notice bad performance of the vehicle, even bad fuel economy. So stay with us, we'll show you how to do that on this E46. On other BMWs, most of them, you'll find them on the front grille or behind the bumper. Stay with us to see where it is. So we'll be lifting the front end of the vehicle. Since we do that, we'll have to secure, okay, usually we do the opposite side, okay, on diagonal. Okay, let me get there. Okay, with the tire stops right there, you have to have the emergency brake on. Okay, and make sure that the car is in park as well. Next, we're going to find our lifting point, and we will jack, okay, the front tire up, okay, and just get it up in the air. Okay, that's a rapid pump jack, low profile, but it goes quite a bit up. Okay, right there. Next, we'll need to make sure that we use a jack stand as well guys. Never ever rely on the jack itself, because if it fails and you're under the vehicle, the car will fall on you. Find a location where you can install it, okay, and after that we'll show you what else we're going to do. Okay, we just needed a little bit more there. Okay, right there. Alright guys, so let us show you quick where the temperature sensor is. Okay, when you go on the front left side, okay, right here, you can see we have only the wire, and the sensor is supposed to be in this hole, okay, right here. And ours, as you can see, it's missing. Okay, we have this piece from a parts car in the past as well, so let me show you exactly. Okay, that's where the sensor is, okay, right here. So you can actually do that without removing the tire. Stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now. Alright guys, so if you have the sensor, I installed it just to show you how to replace it if you have one. You grab it with two fingers, okay, and you push it in. Okay, it's gonna get loose. Feed it a little bit through the hole, pull it out. Okay, and now right here, okay, this thing you need to pry up and pull it out. This is the sensor. When you're ready to install a new one, all you gotta do guys, okay, go the right way, push in until it clicks. You need to feed the wire in, the sensor in like that, go through the little hole here, okay, grab it from the front, okay, and just pull it until it clicks. Okay, just like that. So that's how you do it, guys. Okay, we're ready to pull the jack stand out of there, let the jack down, and stay with us to see if the new sensor works. Okay guys, I just have the ignition on, and let me show you now. Okay, the sensor is showing the temperature now. You can see 65, everything works perfect. So that's how you guys replace the sensor, temperature sensor on BMW. Some other models, guys, might be a little bit different. You might notice that the sensor is actually on the front grille, behind the front grille right here. So just to know, but usually not very complicated procedure. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.